Let's learn Concord. In the English language, concord refers to the agreement between the subject and the verb. It is important to note that in every sentence there is a verb. This verb must always be in agreement with the subject, that is, the doer of the action in the verb or the indicator of the state of being in the verb. Concord is otherwise referred to as subject-verb agreement. Now, there are some rules that help guide this agreement. The first is, whenever you use a singular subject, you must use a singular verb. Example, John is a policeman. John is a policeman. John is subject. Is verb. John is singular. Is singular. The boy speaks well. The boy speaks well. The boy is subject. Speaks is the verb. And speaks is singular. Regardless of the fact that letter S is added to speak, speaks is singular. A verb that takes an S shows that it is in the singular form, unlike nouns where the plural forms take S. Verbs, the singular forms, take S. So the boy speaks well is correct. Rule number 2. When the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. The men are farmers. The men are farmers. Remember, in the first rule, I said John is a policeman, one person. But now I'm talking about more than one person. The men, plural, are, plural, farmers. The men are farmers. The boys speak well. Unlike the first example in the first rule where I said the boys speak well, singular subject and singular verb. Now I am saying the boys, plural subjects, speak without the S, plural verb, well. The boys speak well. The boys speak well. So whenever you have a plural subject, use a plural verb. Rule number 3. When two or more singular subjects are joined together by and, use a plural verb. John and Mary are friends. The boys and the girls play every day. Rule number 4. When two or more singular subjects are joined together by or, neither nor, either or, use a singular verb. Either Mary or John is here. Either Mary or John is here. Neither Mary nor John speaks well. Neither Mary nor John speaks well. Whenever you have two or more singular subjects joined together by or, neither nor, either or, use a singular verb. 5. When one of the two subjects connected by or, but, or, nor is singular and the other plural, the verb agrees with the nearer one. Example, neither the boy nor the men are present. The verb are agrees with the men because that is the subject that is nearer to it. Neither the boy, that's singular, nor the men, plural, are here. The verb is not agreeing with the singular subject that was initially mentioned. Rather, it is agreeing with the subject that is nearer to it. Neither the boy nor the men are here. 6. When two or more subjects are preceded by each or every, the verb must be singular. Each of the pupils deserves an award. Each of the pupils deserves an award. The presence of each makes the verb, regardless of the fact that we have pupils, it makes the verb singular. Each of the pupils deserves an award. Every child is special. Every child is special. 7. When two or more subjects refer to the same person, the verb is singular. Amina, my good friend and neighbor, is a musician. Amina, my good friend and neighbor, is a musician. The principal and manager of the school reads every day. The principal and manager of the school reads every day. The principal, one subject, and manager. It is only if you have the before manager that you use a plural verb. But when there is no the, it shows that both subjects refer to one person. The principal and manager is not the same thing as the principal and the manager. So when it is referring to just one person, you say the principal and manager of the school reads with an S every day. 8. When two subjects are used to express one idea, the verb is singular. Bread and butter is what I took for breakfast. 9. Indefinite pronouns such as everybody, everything, somebody, nobody, etc. require singular verbs. Everybody is here. Somebody comes here every day. Use a singular verb whenever you are using an indefinite pronoun. 10. Some nouns are plural in form but singular in meaning. Whenever you use such a noun, use a singular verb. Examples are economics, statistics, mathematics, dynamics, electronics, etc. For these kinds of nouns, use singular verbs. Mathematics is my favorite subject. What is statistics? Now, so far I have listed 10 Concord rules. Understanding these rules will help avoid grammatical errors. Would you like to ask a question? Do that in the comments. Do you know any other Concord rule? Put it in the comments. Let's learn together. I am Edikan Francis Otu. I'm sure that you speak right.